Welcome. Here's how you can use Diggle as a powerful microlearning tool in just a few steps. Start by creating a Diggle from scratch, or choose a template to set up engaging microlearning content quickly. With a pro license, you can track participation across multiple Diggles by using the Register Participant Information feature. This will enable you to track participants across different modules, which is ideal for ongoing learning journeys. At the Share button, you can adjust the duration and copy the link to share it with participants easily. Extending the duration will allow the participant to do the microlearning at their own pace within the time window you set. Remember to set the Diggle to audience pace. When responses come in, view results in the web report to track progress, assess understanding, and download the data for further analysis. And that's it. Use Diggle to deliver quick, trackable learning sessions. Happy diggling!